Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We need your support. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Fact 1. First baby with COVID-19 antibodies after vaccination born. A US woman who had received one dose of coronavirus vaccine while she was pregnant has given birth to the first known baby born with COVID-19 antibodies, doctors have claimed. The mother received her first dose of the Moderna vaccine in January when she was 36 weeks pregnant. Researchers detected antibodies after analyzing blood from the baby girl's umbilical cord. Fact 2. Digital artwork by humanoid robot Sophia sells as NFT for 5 crore. A digital artwork made by humanoid robot Sophia was sold at auction for $688,888, 5 crore, in the form of a non-fungible token or NFT. The artwork was produced by Sophia in collaboration with the 31-year-old Italian digital artist Andrea Boniceto. The artwork, Sophia Instantiation, is a 12-second MP4 file showing the evolution of Bonaceto's portrait into Sophia's digital painting. Fact 3. Ireland has no army and is also recognized as the world's most peaceful country. The most famous of these is Iceland, which has now been recognized as the world's most peaceful country twice. The country has no offensive capacity and, instead, relies on civil homeland security services such as the Coast Guard, which patrols Iceland's surrounding waters and airspace. Fact 4. Each color of roses symbolizes certain values. Each color of the rose symbolize certain values. For example, 1. The red rose is a symbol of beauty, passion, desire, and romantic love. 2. Pink roses symbolize admiration, gentleness, dignity, elegance, innocence, and happiness. 3. The yellow rose most commonly means friendship, and specifically platonic friendship. Fact 5. Company plans 5-star floating hotel that spins to generate own power in Qatar. Hairy Attack architectural design studio has come up with the design plan of a 5-star luxury floating hotel in Qatar that will rotate according to the water to generate its own electricity. Eco Floating Hotel has a construction area of 35,000 square meters and a total of 152 rooms. The 5-star hotel will complete a full rotation once every 24 hours. Fact 6. There are vending machines in Istanbul that dispense food and water for stray dog in exchange for recycled plastic bottles. A Turkish company called Pujden has introduced a vending machine in Istanbul that accepts plastic bottles for recycling and dispenses food and water for stray dogs in return. That's right, it helps protect the environment as well as provide sustenance to animals. Fact 7. Doctors in Brazil are using tilapia fish skin to help burns cure. It has tons of collagen and non-infective microbiota. Tilapia are mainly freshwater fish, and are counted among the most favorite seafood dish throughout the world. But, doctors in Brazil have recently discovered a new method to make use of the aquatic animal. The skin of this fish is now being used for treating severe skin burns, as the skin is filled with moisture and collagen to help promote the healing process. Fact 8. WhatsApp hires Amazon Pay India exec to lead India payments. WhatsApp has hired Manish Matam, Amazon Pay India director, to head its payments business in India, Reuters reported citing sources. Matam, who has been working at Amazon Pay for nearly 7 years, is due to join WhatsApp's payment service soon. A BITS Pilani graduate, Matam oversees a team of senior product, engineering and business development leaders at Amazon Pay. Fact 9. Pack of blue stray dogs spotted near old chemical factory in Russia. A pack of blue stray dogs has been spotted near a disused chemical factory in Russia's Dzержinsk, the plant's bankruptcy manager said. Possibly they found the remains of some old chemicals enrolled in it, and possibly it was copper sulfate. Meanwhile, a government official said that the dogs must be checked and their health must be assessed. Fact 10. LG Electronics may shut its mobile business. LG Electronics may close its mobile communication business rather than sell it, Bloomberg reported, citing the Dong Albo's report. LG's negotiations with Volkswagen AG and Vietnam's Wing Group JSC on a possible sale of the business seem to have failed. Earlier, LG Electronics had reportedly halted the development of phones with a rollable display. Fact 11. 41 kg unidentified metal ball found on beach in Bahama. An unidentified titanium ball weighing 41 kilograms and covered in Russian text has been found on a beach in the Bahamas. The reflective metal ball was spotted poking out of the sand by a British woman while she was at the harbour island with her family on February 24. The origin of the metal ball is still unknown. Fact 12. Magic mushrooms grow in US man's blood after he injects it in form of tea. A 30-year-old US man was hospitalized with organ failure after he injected himself with a tea made from psychedelic mushrooms, which later started growing in his veins. A case report said his liver was damaged and his kidneys weren't functioning properly. Doctors said he had tried to use the so-called magic mushrooms as an alternative treatment for his bipolar disorder.